Okay, today at ETP, we're having a look at a sample TD42 head that came in. It's fairly common for us to get samples in for checking and those sorts of things. It's always good to see what else is out there. So this is TD42 head, and in particular, we were having a look at the water jacket on this one. So we sliced the end off to make it more manageable to handle, and then we took the top off to have a look inside at the water jacket. Now, on a TD42, and especially out of China, we've seen problems in the past, and we've been supplied heads in the past that we picked up on that was missing that hole in there, and it was stopping any of the water flow around the intake ports. It was also hampering flow around the pre-combustion chamber. So if you have a look at this one, while it's restricted, it does actually have the hole. You can see the wire coming out the other side as it's supposed to, although on a genuine head, that water passage is bigger. But if we get to the second port, that is solid through there. There is no water flow whatsoever through that area of the head there, which is a problem. We also look here, and this is going to be a little bit harder to show on camera, but this here is the pre-combustion chamber. This and the exhaust port are the two hottest areas of the head. There is supposed to be a water passage going up through there to let the water out that would then come out of this area here and go back into the water jacket, and that area is blocked as well. So the water will enter here and then it will not be able to get out, and it'll create a hotspot, which, yeah, is obviously not ideal. We've also got a further issue here, and this here is the exhaust port, another area where the cylinder head will run extremely hot. There is supposed to be a water area going down through here and coming out of here to flow water around the port and up, and then that'll link up with the passage around the top. That area there is totally blocked, and if you have a look in there, the casting has actually become really thick through there, and there's only the opening here. On a genuine head, this should be all open through here, and it should flow around the port nicely. So this head, we obviously deem that to be no good, but this is why we're out there, checking these things all the time, just to make sure that we know exactly what's out there.